Now, customizing plot properties. So how to customize or how to make the plot properties default for all the visualization. So you should create your plot in such a way that it should be visually appealing. So if somebody sees your graph, they should two things. Your graph should not irritate somebody, and they should get more information from your graph. And second thing, they should be able to easily interpret your graph. So if you are doing all these things perfectly, then nobody can beat you in projecting data. Okay, so you can use the optional line specification as input to plot to send the line and marker style color. So we have seen this already. So you can use, see, this graph and this graph are same, but what is different? The line marker is made dark so that here it is very weak. So if you make the marker stronger, this gives a command over the graph. This will be more clear than this graph. Simple change they have done, and what enormous result they have got. So amidst this blue color, this dark red is going to be clearly showing the difference between the two regions of the graph. Okay. So how to create a dotted line with asterisk markers? You have to use R star and colon. R, red. Star is for your dotted. Star is for your marker, and colon is for your dotted line. So if you don't use colon, it will be a normal line. Okay. So three properties of plot we are going to see, which is going to make your graph visually appealing. Again, we will be going into the live window, I think. Yes. So see here, you have an X varying from 2000 to 2007 and corresponding Y value. And they have plotted plot X comma Y comma O hyphen X comma. If it is plot X comma Y, it is going to be a straight line. If it is O hyphen means you are going to add a marker. So whenever you have a data, there you will have a marker. Able to understand? O hyphen. So if you just give plot X comma Y, we'll see what the difference, so that you should always know how to see the different graphs, right? So see how different between the two graphs. So wherever you have a data, there you have a marker here. That marker is using the symbol O. Assume if I use star here, like I'm not sure if this will run. Yes. See here, instead of O, you have a star. Friends, you can see this is a normal graph. This is using a star, and it was originally having O. So if I replace it with O, you see the graph now. Wherever you have data, you are going to have a marker. So this marker will say that between the two markers, the graph will be continuous. It will be giving a good, rich look to your plot. Okay, this is what is the code is given. We have the task. We'll see the task here. Plot the data again using a solid. So plot the data again. So the same thing, I'm going to do the plot command using a marker size of 10. Using a solid line and circular markers. This time use a marker size of 10. Okay, so you can have different values. So we have a property called marker size. So MARKERSIZD. So marker size, 10 means it will plot the graph with a marker size of 10. And they are asking you to use the solid line and a circular marker. Solid line means without any marker. We'll run and see. This is solid line. If I use a marker, see the marker size is 10. Difference you see between the two plots, see the marker size here, see the marker size here. The marker size has changed. I have given 10, so it has been changed to 10 and it's different in the graph. So if I make it 20, see the change, even more bigger. Very simple, right? So it has to be 10, so I'll keep it at 10. So you get the graph to be with the marker size of 10. See the solution, whether it is correct or not. I hope it should be correct.